Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Facebook. So under profile, you go to edit profile, and then you can just scroll down and then start editing your profile. So if you want to change your profile picture, you go press edit on the top right, or for cover photo, same, just press edit. And then for bio, you can just press add. So there you can add a short bio to tell people more about yourself. This could be anything like a favorite quote or what makes you happy. So for example, I want to tell people that I am a mother who loves to play with my son. So once I'm done typing, I can just press save on the top right, and then it will save. So next, details. For example, I can customize my intro, so this detail will be public. So I can for example, add my relationship, example my status, I'm married, and then I can I can make it public or just me, and I can also tag my partner, and then I can press save. So I can just add my workplace, or so you can just add anything that you want people to see about your profile. So once I'm done, I just have to press save on the bottom, the blue button on the bottom, and then it will save. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.